Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today we are in Inksoft, and I'm showing you how to apply tax rates to a city that isn't where our location is here in Phoenix. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to, from the Inksoft dashboard, we're going to go to Settings, and we're going to go to Taxation. And now we're going to come down here to Taxable Locations, and you can see we have a few in here. And so now we're going to hit this little plus to add a location, and we're going to go ahead and put a name. This is going to be Houston, this is going to be NTI, and so now country, United States. Go ahead and plug in an address, so I'm just going to get the address for the school here. Give me just a minute here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy that in. Houston, and it's going to be Texas. And go ahead and plug in the zip code. Okay, now we're going to click Save. Okay, so now you can see we have Houston here. So now we're going to go to Taxable Stores. And actually, before we do that, we need to hit a refresh. If we don't do a refresh, it's not going to show up. And so now we find the store or stores that we want to apply this to. And so we're going to apply this to the two NTI ones. So we're just going to go ahead and click Houston there and Houston on this store as well. We're going to scroll up and hit Save. And now if anybody from Houston goes ahead and places an order on that particular store, they're going to be charged our local tax rates. Thanks for watching.